Hi everyone, Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. We have made it through the month of July and we made it through Cheyenne Frontier Days. So that was a fantastic event. We had an incredible turnout within Laramie County and CFD, and it was wonderful to see all of those folks in town boosting our economy for Laramie County. So that was fantastic. I'll take the hat off now since we're done with Frontier Days, but wanted to give you just a little bit of market update as far as what happened in the month of July. So overall in our Laramie County market through our multi-list, we sold about 227 homes in the month of July this year compared to about 243 homes last year. So a little bit less, but not much, right about on track as normal. Overall, we had about 5 million more in volume for the month because property values are up so much. So speaking of property values, I want to congratulate everyone in Laramie County. If you're a homeowner, you made some great money this last year. And what I mean by that is we had about a 12% appreciation rate within this last 12 months on property value. So for example, if your home was worth $300,000 last year, this year should be worth right around $336,000. So that's a huge increase to your net value and net worth. So congratulations. If any of us at REMAX Capital Properties can do anything for you, please reach out to us. We're always willing and able to help. And have a great rest of your summer. School is right around the corner, so have a great summer.